it's coming up to Christmas, and we need an engine for the farm. And I also need to get rid of an engine that's in my front room, so I've got somewhere to put the Christmas tree. And everyone likes an engine run-up video, but first we need to get the thing out the house.
Yeah.
Yeah? Financial take that over 80.
Careful, that's got on me.
It's got all your what, Jack?
Work on it. Work. Sorry, I'll just go out that. We'll put that there.
And up for fun. I'm a big boy now, or so they say. So if you'll serve, I'll be on my way. Box up balloons with a featherlight touch. Pack up party poppers that pop in the night. I toothbrush and hairspray, plastic rings, clay on a corner's edge, just walked in. Welcome to the house of fun. Now I've come of age. Welcome to the house of fun. Welcome to the lion.
This is like a birthday video from the 80s.
Like what?
I don't know, I've never watched one. Don't make me laugh, because I've read it myself. That sounded like it broke something.
Just rearrange the door a bit. We need to try that. When you're ready then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. A little bit more.
1 minute. Seth, pry bar.
That's me at full stretch, to be fair.
Just pass me that pry bar.
I'm going to be halfway across the room in a minute.
You readjust yourself, Jack, so you can have another.
Yeah.
Put your booster seat on.
I think we're just about clear that at that.
I think you need an extra stool.
Yeah, I know, but the big one's going to go past the box.
No, it's not, because you do this.
So let's know when the back wheels are about to hit that little groove.
Yep.
You are a genius.
It's not often, is it?
I don't give Seb enough credit sometimes.
Oh, it's going to go back. Right, go on.
Ready?
Hang on. Yep.
Okay.
Right, and you've got about 2 inch before you're on the lip.
I've maxed out.
Let's lower it down. Gently.
Do you want a log?
No, it's alright, I've got the flat bar under it, so it's not the end.
Cool,
now,
cool.
what we need to do is pry the wheels, so I'll sort of lift that end over. With 2 pry bars.
That'll go really well.
It's going to go fantastic. It'll snap straight off.
Not if you put blocks of wood under the front, they won't.
What, are you Roman or something?
Yeah. We'll roll it like the Egyptians made the pyramids, mate. That's how we're going to do this. Like your back and back blowout.
This ain't your mum.
I'd rather it be my mum. No, I didn't mean that. Yeah, I can't. Oh.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
No, I can't lift that.
Huh?
I can't even get it a little bit.
Or you and Seth pry?
I think we'll have to try that. On the angle, that's not going to
Fair,
pass.
here's good. I could live with it here.
Yeah, I could, yeah.
That's not in the way, is it, at all?
I don't see Taya having a single problem with that.
We've got, oh no, that caster's failed.
Yeah, that caster's gone, mate.
So the moral of the story is, don't use cheap seaman casters. Oh, to be fair.
Into half a wooden splinter. That might be more the problem.
I think if you're
Yeah, that's fixed in there tight, that is.
Jack, your bra straps showing me.
Oh, where's that piece of
sorry.
wood? We can still sort this.
Oh,
We'll just put that
as a caster.
as a caster.
Yeah. Why do we get life of plane to turn into a wheel for us?
This here is my Stanley number 5, and
Yeah. But I think we need to get this door.
Away from tip wall? Alright,
Away
all.
from tip wall.
Alright, Allcroft, calm down.
Well,
Should we get this off now?
when you say we, you can, yes. Tell you what, that worked a treat.
Oh, but it won't fit over the box. Did you struggle with
I
them
didn't mean
shaped
your-
challenges?
I didn't mean your bit, I just meant in general.
It worked well. That's another use for the footstool table things.
Yeah. Beautiful.
I don't even know I've got 3 doors. I'll get rid of this one next. Or should we go a bit further then get rid of it?
I'll go a little bit further, keep the cold out.
Keep the card out, right. Okay. Stage 2 of getting the engine out. Better operate the mirror that way.
Should we take it down?
No.
No?
Just be like men and just not
Yeah, I like the risk taking it.
Stubbornness.
Stubbornness. That's yeah. Yeah.
I don't think they're ever notice.
Yes. That's definitely doing some good there. Right. Hold it a moment. Barely nicked it. Freya's birthday, this ain't
Nothing a bit of ignorance can't do. We'll just ignore all that happening. How did the walls get random? Who knows?
Nothing a bit of ignorance can't be. That's my new favourite saying. Hang on, we're jammed up again. I'm going to have to bar again. Off this mint tiled floor that we've cracked.
Yeah, that was.
You ready?
Yep.
Go on then, Paul.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
That was going well.
And again.
Wait. Ready?
Yep.
Ah,
Oh, yes.
bit more.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 hold it.
What?
We need to put another block on, otherwise it's going to drop on the floor and then this thing
That'd
will
be
just twat
awful.
me in the balls.
What I'd hate right now if we damage the house
Yeah, we've got to think about the floor and the tiles.
and the children.
I like somebody please think about the children.
Good you to
Jesus.
be thinking about children.
Well, doesn't make much of a change. Can we stop the pig target? I'm not even that bad. Oh God. I need a thinner bit of wood. Can you get us the other bit of wood that's over there, please, sir? Don't move it, because if it slides off here, it will twat me in the face.
No, not to move, but I am running out of energy.
It's alright, I've moved the thing that's in the way now, so...
It's not really thinner either.
Oh, for sake.
Can we pull it out now?
No.
We'll almost reach.
Hold on, look.
Yeah.
Got it. Yes. That definitely landed on that bit of wood. Oh, we're at the next door frame. Why have you got so many doors in your house? Ready?
Yeah. That's it. Keep going.
Yeah, I'm going.
Right, let's leave it there. We're gonna have to get this door out the way. Just carefully. Let's listen to that noise. Not even a scratch on it.
That'll buff out.
We should also just stop doing the tanks and we'll just do house removals.
Yeah.
And repairs.
No, just removals.
Just removals.
House removals.
House repair sounds like a lot of problems.
We could start a house repairs business next week.
After we've done 4 or 5 house removals. You make work for yourself around there, that's what you do. Just for a bit of context, viewers, Joe managed to do this last year. On Christmas Day, of all days, he managed to get this engine in here.
On his own.
Because he was very lonely. This year...
Not to mention stubborn.
Yeah, this year we've managed to club together and get him a girlfriend.
Well, you didn't even cost you that much.
Yet. That's it. What you want to do is make sure you scratch that lovely door that Taylor's painted up.
I don't remember how I got this out.
I'd say forward.
Oh, it's coming.
So it's Christmas. Oh, look at him go, what a bloke. Yeah, just scratch it down the fall, perfect.
Hello.
Hello, Jackie.
Close the door, there's a draft.
Where the fuck is there a giraffe?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I am. Pull, man, pull.
I need a pry bar over here.
Hang on. And so we seem to be stuck on something.
Yeah, this bit of trellis on the side of the door. Just pry again.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah! That was a good noise. Woo! Stop looking at your phone and concentrate on your job, will you?
Can we get a bit more?
Shut up.
Hang on, I'm just telling off the staff. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yes, now we're flying.
And into the door.
I think
Lindy.
Lion's Den, temptations on his way. Welcome to the house of. No, miss, you misunderstood. 16 big boy, full pint in my manhood. I'm up to date on the dates today, so if you serve, I'll be on my way. Welcome to the house of fun. Now I've come of age. Welcome to the Lion's Den, temptations on his way.
Pass me the phone quick, there's a pumpkin literally rolling down the lane. Somebody's about to run it over.
Welcome to the house of fun. I'm sorry, son, but we don't stop party gimmicks in this shop. Try the house of fun, it's quicker if you run. This is a chemist, not a jungle shop. Party heads, simple enough, clear.
Whoa!
That went without a single hitch.
Oh mate, we've definitely not left the trail. Destruction.
No? No? Passable. Passable.
That was a bit of a
Passable.
that made out of.
That's wood, Jack. I'll have to get the Leatherman and just smooth this down.
What you want is a Stanley number 5.
This here is my Stanley number 5, and I was.
Stanley number 5.
Right, well let's just clear up some of the devastation, screw the doors back on.
Yeah.
Oh, I think that went well.
Don't go in there in your boots.
Okay. Right, Seb, you're...
Comprehend, descend, me understand. Do you hear a pack of party hats with the coloured tips? Too late, Google's heard gossip. Well, hello Joe, hello Miss Crane, and he hadn't returns from the day. Welcome to the house of fun. Now I've come of age. Welcome to the house of fun. Welcome to the Lion's Den. Temptations on his way. Welcome to the house of fun. Welcome to the house of fun. Now I've come of age. Welcome to the house of fun. Welcome to the Lion's Den. Temptations on his way. Welcome to the house of fun. Welcome to the house of fun. Now I've come of age. Welcome to the house of fun.
Oh my god. Nearly made it to the bottom of the road. Right, we're going to do some pumpkin racing.
Mine is bred for sport and speed.
Let's see yours go.
It's gone all whack.
Right, can I beat that?
I ain't going to take much of it. Yours is a bit more weighty than
Right, you filming? Here we go. Pumpkin racing. One dodge round yours. That was. I'm skillful. I'm the definite winner so far.
Mine's all soggy.
But mine's going in the field. Oh,
You gave me a Duff pumpkin.
let's try this one again. Let's try a bit more send.
I think you need to... Go on, go for it.
Oh yeah. That's a solid start.
I like how number one got all the end of the way and I didn't even film it. Anyone walking by like, I've just passed a pumpkin. Oh, he's running out of steam. Going off course. There's a pothole there. Oh, that's going into my neighbour's house. Bye.
He's gone off the course.
Well, that was another great success of video.